E-liquids are essential to vaping. Our guide will cover the basics you need to know before choosing the right liquid for you. There are 4 main ingredients that form an e-liquid: PG, VG, flavouring and nicotine. PG is propylene glycol. It is a synthetic clear liquid often found in food. VG is vegetable glycerin, which is a clear, odourless liquid produced from plant oils. Flavourings give you the flavour, and nicotine gives you the hit if you need it. Most modern e-liquids use a combination of both PG and VG liquids in different ratios, which offer a different vaping experience. High PG liquids give more flavour, less vapour, and more throat hit. High VG liquids give a sweeter taste, more vapour, and a smoother inhale, or less of a throat hit. Flavourings are added to make your e-liquid taste great. Nicotine is optional, but most people looking to quit smoking are recommended to buy liquids containing nicotine. The most common strengths are 0mg, 3mg, 6mg, 12mg, and 18mg. Nicotine strength is important. Going too low or too high will affect your experience. If you're a social smoker, we recommend 0 or 3mg. A light smoker, we would advise 6mg. Average smoker, 12mg, and a heavy smoker, 18mg. Selecting the right strength will necessitate the nicotine cravings when switching from cigarettes. There are thousands of e-liquid flavours to choose from. Choosing the right one really comes down to preference. Our advice would be to choose something simple to start. Maybe a straight tobacco, a strawberry, or blueberry, for example. E-liquids come in a variety of PG and VG ratios, and there isn't a one-size-fits-all answer to this. Choosing one over another will depend on your needs and experience. The most common ratios are 50-50, 30-70, 20-80, but others are available. Depending on the type of kit you use will determine the PG-VG ratio you will require. 50-50 liquids give a stronger throat hit and better flavour, whereas 30-70 liquids give bigger clouds and a smoother vaping inhale. The higher VG liquid you use, the more powerful kit you need to vape. The kit you choose or are using will dictate the PG-VG ratio select. Cigalikes generally require or use a 50-50 mix. Pod kits are the same and work best with 50-50 liquids. Vape pens are more flexible and can take 50-50 or higher VG liquids, making them a great choice for beginners. And vape kits offer more power and flexibility, and will also work with 50-50 and max VG liquid. With so many e-liquid flavours, strengths and PG-VG ratios available, following our simple guide will help when making that first jump into the world of vaping. Join the 20,000 people who successfully quit smoking every year thanks to vaping. Make the switch today with Vape Superstore.